crap. Okay. Again. I got it. Crap. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. You kidding me? Is he coming? Is he coming? Oh my god. Goodness, don't count. Okay. It's not gonna be worth it. Is he? Ah, hit! Hit! Got him from the other side.
What is up, guys? Raptor Airsoft here, and today I wanted to explain how I will be editing my videos from now on. I'll be using an app called Splice, and that will give me the opportunity to put commentary under my videos, or as you can see right here, I'll be zooming in on targets that I engage on. And that'll just make my videos look a little bit better, or a little bit more professional. I don't want to keep uploading videos that haven't been edited or cut, they're just the video. I'll also be putting my new intro into the video. I just didn't want a video that would just be, here's the video, and nothing else. I wanted to become a little bit more professional, so I added the intro, and then I will be editing my videos from now on. And that will cause my videos to be a little bit farther apart between video, 3 days or so. So not too much longer, but I will be editing my videos from now on. That was basically it. I just wanted to let you guys know that Raptor Airsoft is going to become a little bit more professional and not just unedited videos. So, that is it, guys. Like and subscribe for more content, and I'll see you later.